Okay. Today's date is the 26th of January 2026. The time now is 6:35 a.m. A couple of things actually. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is OB Nexus. But today we're going to speak on the topic of dreams, but especially nightmares. So, for me, I'm tripolar. I have nightmares, but I have dreams too. So I have lucid nightmares. Lucid, that means I know I can act in my dream, but sometimes I know too. Something can die, you know. There's not a die. For me, I can die in my sleep. I know that I'm tripolar. That my reality is my mind. You know? People that have kind of precision that the mind you can't see. People can't have that kind of precision. Doesn't matter if it's on brain. But I was in with my cat in my shed. That was still the music for everyone because I was working with white phosphorus. So I was working with white phosphorus in my dream, because this that's the space that Obi made. O for Oscar, B for Bravo, I for Indigo. We made I Obi from even Eze and Uche, and Obi was working when Eze and Uche was asleep with white phosphorus. But it's a real space, you know. Obi wants to share this white phosphorus with you guys because it was gunpowder, which you can take gunpowder and make you go to some person go with white phosphorus was for us, that was in the mind. That was a real space in the mind. So that's what we did. So that was gunpowder. But can gunpowder become white for us? We don't know. But in the science lab, I had hydrochloric acid, HCl, and I had other things. So it is possible to some combination. I had a cat, and OBI, the one that can create and destroy, had a cat. So I had a cat in my dream, but that was basically the space I went when, which it was a safe space for me to explore things that. But as OBI, this is basically my hidden mind. I didn't blow up my shed, luckily enough, but I took my hand, and I was basically moved to gunpowder. And because it turned to five, because I made it fall, it started to burn my hand. But the more you take your hand and you put it into gunpowder, you shouldn't. You can also bring gunpowder from gunpowder. So if you move your hand to the table like this, and slide your hand in between the two gunpowders, you will burn your hand, But to get to the point where you get so basically that's how I discovered that it can be gunpowder. Gunpowder can become can have the same properties. The ammo, gunpowder is as lethal as white phosphorus. It's just like it starts to burn your hand because the more friction you have, the more it starts to hurt your hand because surface of the gunpowder is here. Doesn't matter what it's so this is the gunpowder here, this white cloth, this yellow cloth, I'm holding the gunpowder, but I'm drinking I'm breaking it. So the more I break down the gunpowder to chop it up in segments, the more it starts to burn and it can explode my hand into the fire. So I move my hand instantly. So that's what happened in my dream. But that was a real dream of me being just OBI when Uche and Eze were sleeping with that. Uche was a scientist and Eze, but this is not safe sperm. So guys, don't conduct it in your room. I don't really care what you can other kids, but I do care what you can, but I don't be alive for anything. Just don't blame me. Just don't blame me. So gunpowder can have fast forward properties. So I'm trying to explore the properties of gunpowder too far, because these are different chemical composition. But I'm trying to explore gunpowder as is white phosphorus, the chemical composition via ionic and covalent bonds, for the kind of effects relationship, cause and effects relationship. What is this property? Why is this gunpowder? Because I've never been on a gun before, but I know what gunpowder looks like, and I brought that in my dream, and I brought it in my shed with my cat, and I took care of my cat. 'Cause my cat kept me company. I had a cat, so a cat kept me company. So the cat gave me company, and I survived the dream. I didn't die. This I had in real life, and that's how I came to be again. So I came back to my sleep. So that shed was in Nigeria somewhere. Oh yeah, I know what the shed is. It's in Nigeria, in my compound, in my land, in my land in Nigeria. Because I went there physically, because I don't know that place in Nigeria, in my compound. This is the land that the allotments are owned in Nigeria. That's where I went to. I went to Nigeria. So that was a safe space for me going there to Nigeria to Nigeria. But I don't know what so there's white phosphorus. White phosphorus can burn you in water, but gunpowder can burn you on land. That's my conclusion. If anybody wants to experiment, go and do your own, but I don't really care what you do. It's free of charge. Just don't blame me. That's what I want you guys to do. And if your kids don't even try it. Okay, good. Try it, but don't try legally. That's what I'm saying. On the jurisdiction of law.